This motorhome was once forgotten, left behind in silence, surrounded by rust, dust, and time. What you see at first glance is not luxury, it's neglect. Cracked paint, broken glass, worn out tires, and an engine that hasn't spoken in years. But every machine has a story, and this one isn't finished yet. When we first found it in the junkyard, it looked tired, like it had traveled thousands of miles, carrying memories, families, dreams, and then was abandoned. The black body was dull, eaten by rust. The interior smelled of old fabric and oil. But beneath all that damage, there was still strength. This is where restoration begins. Not with tools, but with vision. We carefully pull the motorhome out of the junkyard. Slowly, respectfully. This machine deserves a second life. Every scratch tells a story. Every dent reminds us why it was built in the first place: to move, to travel, to live. Inside the workshop, the real work starts. Panels are removed. Old parts are stripped away. The frame is exposed, raw and honest. This is the skeleton of the motorhome. Strong, heavy, built to last. Welding sparks light up the dark room. Metal meets metal. Damaged sections are repaired, reinforced, and reborn. This isn't just fixing a vehicle. This is rebuilding trust between man and machine. The engine is next. Piece by piece, it's taken apart. Grease, oil, worn components. All signs of long service. Each part is cleaned, inspected, replaced if needed. Precision matters here because power without reliability means nothing. When the engine goes back together, it's not the same engine anymore. It's stronger, smoother, ready for the road again. Suspension systems are upgraded. New heavy-duty tires replace the old cracked rubber. Brakes are restored for safety and control. Every mechanical detail is handled with care. Because this motorhome isn't just meant to look good, it's meant to perform. Inside, the transformation is dramatic. The old interior is completely removed. What was once dark and broken is now open and full of possibility. New flooring is installed. Modern insulation. Smart wiring for lighting, entertainment, and control systems. Luxury begins to take shape. Soft leather seating, clean lines, modern textures. Ambient lighting that feels warm and calm.